Love you. Hey, you guys. I decided I was going to do this box again. Where is it? Do they have it? Yeah, this here. This FarmBox. And I wasn't going to do no video, but when I first open it, this is what I get. Like, this is what I'm going to be looking forward to. First thing I open, and I have this. Really? I'm already not liking this box. Already though. And this is the stuff I can go buy out of Publix. Okay. I have the broccoli, looks fine. Look at this. No, I'm finna cancel this right now. Look at this. Are you serious, people? This is why I canceled. Look at this. Come on. No, that's why I can't have people picking out my food. I tried. I can't do it. I can't do it. The blueberries. Nope, I'm going to cancel them as soon as I finish this video. This is 70-something dollars. What is this? Some zucchini. The zucchini look good. That's the first thing look good. Wow. This is an apple. Now, how do I know this is organic? I have nothing on here. Come on, you playing with me now. You playing with me. Even though the organic, you know what I'm saying? Apples are, they make them. All right, here's another zucchini. Look like they got the smallest of the zucchinis. This is a kiwi. Ebony would love this. The kiwi. See? Wow. I'm okay. I'm disappointed so far. I got bad looking broccoli. My apples don't have nothing on it that tell me it's organic. If that's, you know, the focus. There's another apple. No, this is a pear. This is the box it came in. I'm getting ready to cancel this. To me, this is not worth no $70, you know. First apple. So the other apples is not organic. That's what I'm going to take. I'm going to cut them open and compare it. Another pear. Isn't that weird that those two apples didn't have nothing that's there organic? How I know this is organic? Are you serious? How do I know these are organic? If that's what the point is, how do I know that? Canceling. No, I don't want this. Can't do it. Ebony would love these kiwis. I tried. I really did. But here's another apple with nothing on it. No label. You guys got to be kidding me. You kidding me, though. You really serious? You serious? You guys are kidding me. I said, let me give them another chance. There was another company I used to buy from, Diamond something, organic. Oh my gosh, the stuff used to be, you can see the freshly cut, like they cut it right, you could tell. It was freshly cut food. I don't think this is, I think it's ice. And these look at this rinky dinky. Okay, this is a blood orange. Try that out. Look at this. I wouldn't have picked this up in the store. Even though, I'll let you see it in a minute. And my little garlic. This is, no. And 1 onion. Come on, people. Did you go and, come on, how I know this is organic? That's a runaway onion. I would not, I'm canceling this. I'm going right now. I can't do it. I can't do this. I tried. Again. I think this is my 3rd time. 3 stripes and you are out. Do not, I want to order from these people. FarmBox. No. No. I could do better. Just go to the store and pick my own produce like I do. And I know what I'm getting, well, so to speak. But anyway, this stuff here, I can't really show y'all. Hold on, let me see. What is this? Hold on. Okay, you guys, this is what I got. For $80 pretty much. It's not worth it. No, I'm not doing this. Nope. Look at this kale. Like, really? Come on. You got in the broccoli, you guys should see. What I'm gonna do with this? Look at this. It's not worth it. And I don't know if this is organic apples and organic kiwi, if that's the point here. It's not worth $80. Bagged up stuff. Come on, people. What are you doing? I don't want this. Canceling my subscription. One Love 1,000 Roses.